Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Bienvenido a mi cocina. Today I have a delicious recipe that I want to bring to you, and it's for coconut candy. This is a Latino candy, and you'll find this in many Latino stores. This candy I grew up eating, and I really can't find it these days, so now I'm going to make my own. Hoy traigo una receta muy tradicional en Cuba y todas partes de Latinoamérica, llamado dulce de coco. So here I have 1 bag of coconut. I have 1 cup of white sugar, and I have 1 can of condensed milk. Aquí tengo una paquete de coco rallado, una taza de azúcar, y una lata de leche condensada. So I'm going to start off by adding the 1 cup of sugar. Next, I'm going to add in the coconut, and then I'm going to add in the condensed milk. Vamos a agregar el azúcar, enseguida el coco rallado y leche condensada. So I'm going to mix everything together, and this is a really simple and quick and easy recipe, like I told you before. Vamos a mezclar todos los ingredientes. Es muy fácil, bien rápido, como le dije. So you want to constantly stir this so that it doesn't stick and it doesn't burn. Vamos a mezclar constantemente porque no se pegue. Once the mixture starts to boil and you start seeing it simmer, lower the flame very low and mix it little by little. Cuando la mezcla empieza a hervir, bajamos la flama lo mínimo y mezcla poco a poco. You'll know when the mixture is ready when it doesn't stick to the pot anymore. So when you start stirring it and you start seeing it separating from the pot, then you know it's ready to be poured into a tray. Cuando la mezcla está lista, no se pegará a la olla. I have a tray here, and I'm going to spread a little bit of butter over top of it so that the candies won't stick. Aquí tengo una bandeja. Vamos a poner un poquito de mantequilla para que los dulces no se pegan. So we're going to pour out the mixture into the tray, and we're going to let it sit until it cools off completely, and then we're going to start making the candies. Lo dejamos enfriar hasta que está completamente frío. So you have to wait 1 hour at least before you start handling the mixture. And you want to use another plate so that you can add butter over top of the plate so you can add the candies right on it and it won't stick. Necesitamos un plato o otra bandera para poner los dulces. Pero antes de poner el dulce encima, ponga un poquito de mantequilla para que no se pegue. So in order for this candy to be ready, you need to let it set for at least 4 hours or more. Lo dejamos enfriar hasta 4 horas o hasta el día siguiente. So waiting is the hard part. So we have to wait at least 4 hours until they're ready. Déjalo reposar en la mesa. No la pongo en la nevera porque se cristalizará. Well, my friends, here it is, my delicious dulce de coco. Totally delicious. Miren qué belleza. Miren esto, mis amigos. Dulce de coco, riquísimo. Now, this is the best part of this whole recipe. So it's time for me to try this. So here it goes. I'm going to take one of these little babies and I'm going to try it and let you know how delicious this is. Es hora para probarlo. Mi parte favorita. So here it goes. This is really delicious. And it tastes almost identical to the ones that I ate growing up. Well, my friends, it's time for me to go. Thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Facebook at my new group called Lelita's Cuban Kitchen. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bueno, mis amores, es hora para yo irme. Gracias por verme y no se olvide suscribirse a mi canal. Y también tengo un nuevo grupo de Facebook llamado Lelita's Cuban Kitchen. Visítame allí. Hasta la próxima. Bye-bye.